Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. So here we are back with the '04 Nissan Titan front differential rebuild. And when you've been doing this long enough, eventually you're going to run into one of these where this thing had 250,000 miles on it. I mean, everything's original. And as I'm reassembling, putting the carrier back in with the caps, the bolts, torquing it down, we had this happen. Stripped out. Here's your thread. Here's your original aluminum housing thread. See that? There you go. Okay, so how do we fix this? All right, there's multiple ways you can do this, but there you go. That's what happened. So torque spec for this was 68 foot-pounds. I got to 57 and popped it. I actually popped 3 of them, and I stopped there. So. Not a big deal. It happens in this field. So what do? You prepare the area for the for a tap it and helicoil, or there's another one, I forgot the name of it. So all that was available was what I have, which should work fine. I never really had a problem. So we're obviously going to clean everything off. We're going to have to drill this out to the tap size. The most important thing here is you cannot let any of the shavings, shards, or whatever you want to call it, of the aluminum get down to where the pinion, that brand new pinion, the bearing, the seal, everything that's down there that I just did. We don't want we cannot have no shards or shavings go in there, or dust of any type, especially shavings like this. So you got to tape it all off, separate it, put a little bit of extra protection so whatever falls down. And I have a few things to make sure it doesn't fall down. I have the good old little vacuum. Stick in every time. All right, so I have another trick with double-sided tape, where as I'm coming out, the threads will get stuck to the double-sided tape. So now we have to find out what's our bolt size. Okay, here we go. Bam. Good old thread locker. The good old thread checker kit. It is a Nissan, so it is a metric, and right there. There you go. Here's your thread size. M10 by 1.5. By the grace of God, the store, believe it or not, Advanced Auto had this. I can't believe it. M10 105. Bam. Here's your helicoil kit. I'm going to start preparing this, drill it out, clean it out, get it all ready, and I'll come back to you installing the helicoil so you guys can see how it's done. And once I'm done with everything and put it back together with the carrier and with the caps back on, it should definitely hold. This is stronger than the original threads because these are steel. So the original housing is aluminum. All right. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time. We'll come back to this repair, really. Thank you for watching.